another video with our volunteers Adrian and Stephanie. On arriving, they had bought us loads of different foods from their countries for us to try, and here are some pictures of some of them, which as you can see went down very well. These were like pineapple cakes. These are cakes, one flavour plain, one pandan, which Stephanie's going to send me some leaves of so I can try and grow pandan leaves. A lot of their stuff is flavoured with pandan and I really enjoyed it and thought it was really nice. Mike preferred the plain flavour, which was more coconutty. These are a little snack that they say children would often eat as little snacks. Everything you can see is very well wrapped and very hygienically wrapped. These again are pandan and coconut flavours that you would use kind of like a jam. They also cooked for us 2 nights and we also cooked for them. This is Laksa. I really love this, and this is from Malaysia, their variant of it. Another day we went and bought lots of different Cypriot pastries and things for them to taste and get their opinions of some of the typical cultural food of Cyprus. So here are the pastries that I bought for them to try. Anari cheese, tahini pastry, spanakopita, tiri cheese pies, custard pies. Another day they cooked curry for us. We learnt that they don't have potato peelers. So here's a shot of that.
Oh, Don, come on. You don't need to record this, Don.
Yeah, that's going on YouTube. We talking about to use a peeler. You'll do whichever.
No, but the peeler doesn't have the...
both sides.
It doesn't peel this way, though.
Well, this way you're pulling down with it, so it... Because as you're going that way, you're not pushing down as hard as you would dragging it.
Nope. Okay, it's okay.
What?
It works. I know how to use it now. It's fine.
Yay, okay.
Oh, how long have you been married? They think we have like been together 5 minutes or something. I don't know.
5 minutes? Why?
Because we're a bit lovey-dovey.
Oh, like everything's still new? Oh, but that's so
What's wrong with
sweet.
that?
I think that's
That's how it's supposed to
amazing.
be.
Yeah.
And of course, we provided the dessert of banoffee pie for everyone. We had just finished this lovely meal in brilliant sunshine, and amazingly, all of a sudden, in seconds, suddenly this hurricane came from nowhere. And this isn't bad footage, this is what it looked like in no time at all. And I have also shown you, following all these clips, the damage done the next day.
That's all I'm worried about. What's this? Oh, it's the, yeah, okay. For yours as well.
I don't know where that even came from. No.
Yeah, it came from out of nowhere. That's the weirdest part. Oh man. We were just outside having a nice...
I can feel this. The pressure of it keeps moving this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Ooh. Yeah, we're definitely not heading out to dinner. Not like this.
That's okay, I'm still full of blood, actually.
This is a phenomenon.
Where is Mr. Colin-Waffles?
Well, Pebbles is in the kitchen. The other two haven't got
Well,
food.
Kit just
No,
ran
Kit
across
is
here.
here.
Oh no, I'll get the light on out there.
Oh, you've got to
I'll
go
get it,
out.
I'll get it.
No, you won't.
No,
I'll
no, no, no.
switch you off from your doors. Oh, yeah.
We went from brilliant sunshine.
You know my computer's wet.
What? Oh, because you had your window open.
Yeah.
My window's shut. I've just shut the cat flap one, so if the other cat's out.
We've already got a big puddle down
I
here.
know, that's what I said to you. In seconds.
We're worried about the cats. What are they doing right here? It's coming in there.
So much lightning.
Someone's what?
So So much lightning.
He was all the way outside.
Yeah, it's raining. That caught us all out.
Yeah, but where's Kitty Cat, eh?
Pebbles was in and hiding, and we did find Kit much later after a lot of this storm had passed. He'd obviously gone and hidden outside, and he came in so wet for a big fluffy cat. He was so wet and so very scared.
The wind just
window is
blows
closed.
so right inside, yeah.
The wind. The wind is
Ooh, wow, this is some epic.
That's hailstones.
Yeah. Now this is like typhoon level.
Hurricane damage last night. First thing spotted was this small bit of tree down. Hurricane damage last night, just starting to look round outside, and already we found this huge tree down. A big tree, a yucca. Massive unexpected hurricane passed through our property last night in Cyprus. So just been picking tons of stuff up. This is an area where we don't have pine tree, and the whole ground is littered with pine cones. They're absolutely everywhere, all over the ground, and bits of pine tree everywhere. And then over by pine tree itself, I don't know how well you can see, the whole ground everywhere is littered with pine cones and big branches everywhere. I've been picking up loads of things all over the place, moving them all along. So everything's completely trashed in the garden. This was a frame, there's bottles everywhere, and in the distance here I can see the ladder is totally upturned. And this is just the minimal parts of the damage on our land and our house. So we have some tree here from the big carob tree is blown across the land. Colin's surveying the damage. And lucky none of these small fruit trees have gone though, which is amazing. So Mike's just said he found a blue sunbed cushion. So there's two, this one's missing. He said come and see where it's gone. Oh my goodness, where are we going? A long way away. Oh my goodness. That's over there. Goodness, that went a long way. But then we have all these trees down. Loads of these all around. I'll go around the other side and you can see some more. Wow.
There.
There's so much as these trees down.
That lump under there.
But this is why it is good to have these trees, because these semi-protected our house. So while you might say, well, they're dangerous, you need to take them down. No, these are protected our house. And you can see this is where they all are. And the direction of it did save our house. Although we've got water pouring in this part of the house, it did protect the actual house. And there's even more of these trees down. So here's some more down here. And all of this wasn't on here, I've just thrown it back up for now. Luckily the top ones were safe, but everything from the bottom and all round was all round the garden. And you can see how much rain, and this is a protected area from the rain, so that was just what blew through. That's the guest towels gone from their washing line. And plenty of garden is found all around the garden. Here we can see the force of the rain, where it's washed down our mountain ridge in our garden. Don't know how well you can see that, but that is the full force of the rain rushing down the land. Opening the gate, you can always see the full force. The rain pushing everything up towards the closed gate. Lucky we just finished picking the olives because there would be none left. So excellent that we picked them and finished them the day before. Doesn't look like there's any situations on this part of our land. It just came through. The middle of our land was the worst hit, but this end seems to be good. That's the olive trees all picked. And again, if you've got a property, try and put up lots of trees. Yes, they will come down in storms, but they will protect other areas. So that's my advice to you. Get some trees in to protect your properties. And we don't normally have hurricanes in Cyprus, but we did this time. I'm pretty sure as we walk around we would find more things, but that is the first walk round today. I know many people have far worse damage, and my best wishes to you all. And today is another beautiful day in Cyprus. Till next time, Meraki. Kit is safely back with his brother and sister. Back to his job of being the valet and washer for Mr. Colin Waffles.